Hi, Gordon Cook here, and today I want to show you how we can use PowerPoint to make video lectures for sharing online or anywhere else. Now I'm going to start by assuming we've already got our PowerPoint lecture built, maybe something we were going to give in class in person, but we've already got a slideshow here. What we want to do in Microsoft PowerPoint is go here to the one that's labeled Slideshow. We click on that to open that menu. And there's different options here that we usually use for running our show, but there's one for record slideshow. It's right here. All we really have to do is click on that. If we click the drop down, there are options that you can record right from the beginning, or we could just record from the current slide rather than from the beginning. But just click on that. And it's the screen that PowerPoint will open up into. It shows this full screen with your slides here. And now you got controls over here to record, stop your recordings. You can clear what was on. Now that goes slide by slide or all slides, and other options up here. So we just go ahead and hit the big record button. It'll give us a countdown. And then we can go ahead and do our recording. And as we go through it, we can just click on the space bar to advance the slides, or if there's any animations, we go ahead and make our recording. And when we get to the end, we can click stop. Now you'll notice once I do that, this little icon pops up in the bottom because this is an audio recording that I made on all of these slides. That shows that there's something there. Now I could go to clear and take off this one slide. And then I could come and re-record just the one slide if I wanted to, which is a nice touch. It's kind of a way of editing. If you only needed to fix one slide worth of material, you can just record the one slide. It shows your timings down here. So slide 4, this is a 4-second slide. The whole show was only 16 seconds long. And then on this side, there's some options here. So right now we're using the microphone, so we're just recording audio. And the camera's off. We could turn the camera on, and then it'll put a small window down here with the little talking head picture. So now that we're done, we can just X out of this. It'll take me back to the main PowerPoint, and you can see that all of those audio recordings are now here. I can do all the normal things I can do with audio. I could clip them if I needed to, or edit them. And if I did video from the camera, there would actually be a box with the video there, which I could drag around. I could move it. I could change the sizes on it, just like I could with this audio thing. So once I've got everything recorded, the next thing we need to do is to export this into some kind of MP4 or some other kind of file. So we just go ahead and hit File, which opens up this menu. And what we want to do is go to Export. We click on Export. You have these different options. Create a video is the one that we want. And it'll give us some options. So there's full HD here. That's probably what we want. Using recorded timings and narrations. So the recording is going to drive how long each slide is. Now this 5 seconds here, we can change that time. So if we had a slide that we didn't record, like a title slide in the front, or maybe a final slide at the end that we didn't record anything on, that will wait for 5 seconds, or I can change it to 4 or 3 seconds. I can go ahead and hit the Create Video button. It'll ask me where do I want to save it. So I can just go ahead and save it here in my documents, example lesson. And that's it. It'll create the video for me. And down along the bottom edge, it will show me how long the progress is. There's a progress bar. Now it saves it. Okay, now I've got a problem with my destination, so it just asks me where I want to save it, and I can put something else in. Put it here. Yeah, sure. And then that's it. Now I have that MP4 file that I can use and do anything that I want.